Hello, my friends. Welcome to Henrik's Building Lounge. I am Henrik, and today we are building the Lego delivery truck. My Costco finally got it in like a huge pallet, and now I finally have the time to build it. So let's get going. There's probably going to be more minifigures to look at, more little details to check out. I'm going to go bag by bag, just like in the Sanctum Sanctorum video. And with that said, I'm going to get to it. All right, my friends, after unpacking all of this, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags, plus a 10th unnumbered bag and a very small sticker sheet. Most surprisingly, however, is there are 3 instruction booklets. And even more interesting is they seem to get bigger as we go along, with the third one being an actual book with a back to it. Anyways, on to bag number 1. Okay, I now know why book 1 is so thin. It is literally just the first bag. And in the first bag, we get these guys here. And it's really it's really awesome. So first off, we have 3 minifigures. We've got a Karen over here with her cell phone. We've got a hot dog saleswoman, or rather cafeteria worker maybe. And we have this gentleman on the forklift who put his helmet on the on the fork. Play feature, you can press it down, the rubber band pushes the thing back up. I really like that chair pieces were used for the tire covers, and we've got these ribbed 2x2 2-plate thick bricks. Not sure what they're actually called, but they're 2 plates high instead of 3 or 1. Nice cage. And we've got 2 out of the 3 stickers on this billboard over here. Another cool thing is we have these sausage pieces in hot dog bun pieces clamped in there. Very nice. Ketchup, mustard. And if I open up this, we have a can. We have a can of Vita Rush. Very nice. A printed can too at that. All right, I think that's it for bag 1. On to the next one. All right, bag number 2 is done, and with it we have the base of the tractor part of our Lego delivery truck. And check this out. We have an additional minifigure. Every truck needs a driver, and this one is it. Comes with a beard, and we also get an additional spare part of an extra beard that we can use to adorn other minifigures with. Outside of that, some interesting parts are the hitch at the end, or what I think is going to be it. We also have some we have a 4x4 plate and a 2x6 plate in dark bluish gray. Additionally, we have the front part here. Let me see if I can get more light onto there. Very common parts up front, but interesting to look at nonetheless. On the bottom, you've got some additional 4x10 plates, I believe. And now that I've actually started building the truck part, I know that this is going to be 8 studs wide. So it's going to be a narrow fit on my Lego City Road, but thankfully I think it's going to fit. On to bag number 3. Bag 3 is done, and with it we have a lot of the outer shell done for the tractor component. Check this out though. In the front we have our lamps, we have our grill, we have the hood, and the hood actually lifts up to reveal the engine on the inside. Very cool. Additionally, we also have behind the driver's seat, we have a little bed and we have a television. The television, of course, being the third and final sticker. The television, of course, being the third and final sticker, meaning this thing is empty. Good. Behind it, we have I think it's a smoke pipe, and we have the smokestack, and we have some cabling, and we have a printed med pack. Very cool. And with that said, on to bag number 4. Okay, bag number 5 is done, and we have the entire tractor done. And it's got 6 wheels, 3 on each side. Like that. And it now also has a roof. And with this, book number 2 is done. And now I understand why book number 3 is so massive in comparison. Because we got to build the actual container now, along with the crates that fit inside. All right, let's get to it. All right, now for real, bag number 5 is done. This is bag number 5, and this is the beginning of the container at the back of the delivery truck. And as you can see, we have the overall frame as well as these doors at the back. Cool features. We've got what look like lights in these gates here that provide structural integrity for this yellow spine that we have going on top, and some interesting parts usage with the 3x3 corner pieces. Haven't really seen these before. Normally we're used to 2x2 corner pieces. And of course, plenty of 2x6 plates on the floor. Very nice. I like it. Makes everything look very clean too. All right, on to the next one. Bag number 6 for realsies this time. All right, here we are. Bag number 6 is done. And we have a lot of this side of the container complete. And we now have this door at what I think is either the front or the back of the container. Anyway, it lifts up. It's got this very nice big printed Lego logo on the Lego plate. Very nice. These guys also lift up, as is implied from the box. And if anyone caught it, in the previous bag, I forgot to add these light blue-gray studs. Buttons, bricks, pieces, plates, thingies. Anyway, I forgot them. They're here now. It's fixed. And it is also time to move on to the next bag. Bag 7 is done, and with it we have a completed top side of the container. Few lights on whatever side this is. I think this is the back. And we have a second Lego door, and we have a front panel rather. That is a 6x6 plate. Very nice. And of course, the Lego thing comes up like that. Very nice. These guys also open up. And I can't wait to start on the next one. All right, bag 8 is done. And the container that we built previously goes on top of this eventually, probably in bag 9, because that's the only one left. But yeah, this is what we're going to be mounting the container onto. It's got axles for another couple of wheels, 2 on each side. This is what it looks like. Nothing too interesting on this one, but yeah, let's finish this thing. Bag 9 is done, and what a beauty this truck has turned into. And here, of course, are the rest of the minifigures, the forklift, and the hot dog stand, all waiting to be placed in Bookcase City eventually. But let's check out these amazing printed pieces, right? These are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 studs by 8. And we've got 4 of these, 2 on each side. And check this out. This comes off. Got the other side as well. Here's the trailer. Very nice. And opening this up reveals pellets upon pellets of Lego sets. And what's really amazing here is the sheer amount of printed pieces. These are all printed. So it's really the opposite of the Sanctum Sanctorum, where instead of having, around 50 stickers to push on, here there's only 3, and you get them out of the way in the first couple bags. And the rest of the time we enjoy all these amazing printed pieces throughout the rest of the build. And we finish with bag 9 having all of these ones representing more cool Lego sets to drain our bank accounts with. Finally, there's these additional crates, and if I can open them somehow, they have tools inside. The other one as well. And that's it, bag 9 and the completed Lego delivery truck. All right, one more thing I want to point out is the amount of turning this thing can do. Right? You can really get this all the way like that. Now they just need to make a $1,000 minifig scale. Well, not minifig scale. They need to make like a $1,000 Technic scale version of this thing that includes actual Lego sets inside of it. I don't know. Would be really awesome. Anyway, point is, I love this set and hope you enjoyed this journey of building the Lego delivery truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, I'm going to be building more Lego.